We all want to raise our children with a solid moral foundation, teach them important skills and values, and support them in becoming responsible, caring, and healthy adults. The question is, how do you do that? Hello, my dear parents. Today, I shall be discussing with you all how we can teach our children values for life. Children need to learn to master skills for living and need to be taught to cherish the virtues necessary to use the skills in a balanced way. And here is how the structure of the Bright Kit Learn to Grow will help achieve this. Let's discuss the following few factors important for this. Number 1. Use Once Upon a Tale to teach children about morals. The method of storytelling has been around for thousands of years. It's one of the great things that make us human. Science says short stories help children understand great message but in an easy, consumable way. So read a lovely, fictitious story, parable or fable, which is in the relevance to the moral theme you want to teach them. Number 2. Tale talk. Introspect on the lesson of the story just read and view its relevance to life. Number 3. Activities. Plan, prepare and conduct other activities at home which kids will learn enjoying at the same time. Number 4. Star Trek. Read a textual piece on inspiring human being in the theme taken up. This will help them visualize the role models. However, it's important to keep in mind that for the children, the first inspiration comes from their own parents. And lastly, number 5, Chapter Connect. Take up an extended activity like a movie or a book, etc. for self-enhancement. Hello everyone, and I have created this very simple and very handy book, a booklet for parents as well as for teacher if they want to use it. It is called Learn to Grow the Bright Kid Values for Life, and this has been made by me, created by me, and then it's a very simple booklet. It's mainly focusing for grade 5 students, but if you want, it can also be used for any other grade, any other primary grade as well. And why it's handy is because when it comes to teaching values for life for kids, we have the problem about from where to begin, from where to end. So I have given beautifully have given here 7 different themes, which is most important for us as well. And these themes are about fairness, about family, gratitude, leadership, happiness, self-esteem and strength, and so on. So as you can see, for any of all the 7 themes as discussed in my earlier clip of the video, you can tell them nice story based on this theme, and then after that what to do next then. And then you can check out my booklet where I have given for example, as you can see here, for fairness, I have given a beautiful quote which the students can read, or even the parents can show the children. And then here's a guide for the parents, so they can read this thing up and help them create activities based on it for the children, or also might be do something more, maybe create another story from this, or in whatever way they can do it to make it very interactive and help also in their tale talk with their children. And for each theme, it could be family and everything. I have given all details as you can see here, and I'll soon be posting all of these in my YouTube channel after I hit 1,000+ subscribers. So I want all of you, please subscribe to my channel so you can get all of this booklet for free. It's very useful, and I've spent some time creating this, so I'm sure you can love it. And with this, see you in the next video, and please do subscribe to give me about 1,000 subscribers plus, and then I'll be able to upload this booklet and much more things for all of you. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning and learn to grow the bright kid. Thank you.